Hi, I'm Nicky Laceby and today we are going to be making a pavlova from the Everhot cookbook in our Everhot. So let's get started. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put sugar into the tray and we're going to put it into the oven. And all we're going to do is warm it through. It's a top tip and it really does help. So let's put it in. Now that we've separated 6 egg whites, I'm going to pop them into the mixer now on a medium speed, and we are just going to let them form soft peaks. So in they go. I'm now going to gradually add the sugar to the whipped meringues and just keep whisking all the time. And this sugar is lovely and warm now, and it will just gently combine with the egg whites. So we'll crack on and do that. The sugar's all combined now. Now, according to the Everhot cookbook recipe for the pavlova, what goes in next is some sifted icing sugar. So again, I'm just going to whisk and combine as we go. As you can see, well, I'm going to show you in a second, it's a lovely glossy finish. Look at that. Now, the real test, do you want me to do it? Is to turn it upside down and make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. And thankfully, it hasn't. What I'm going to do now is we're going to place it on this baking sheet. Now, I have drawn a circle in advance and it's about 8 inches. And we're going to pile it in the middle, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to decorate it and pop it in the oven to cook. So we're going to smooth it out to get just sort of a round shape going on. There we are. Now, you're going to dip it down in the middle, like so. And then we are going to get a palette knife. Here's one I prepared earlier. And we are literally going to just push it up. And we're going to carry on round, I'll show you. We're just going to draw it up, like so. I'm happy with that. There is your prepared pavlova that is ready to go in the oven. So remember, 110 degrees for about an hour and a half. Look at that little beauty. Is that not the best thing ever? Anyway, I'm very happy with it. It's now going to sit here just cooling away nicely until it is completely cool, and then we're going to fill it with the iconic cream and strawberries. As you can see, the pavlova is all cooled and it's been ready to fill now. So we're just going to fill it. I've whipped some cream with a little bit of icing sugar and some vanilla extract in there, and I'm just spooning it in. It should be just nice and soft. And all we're going to do now is just pop lots of strawberries on the top. You're just going to scatter them over whichever way you like. And here you have it, your summer strawberry pavlova.